Greetings everyone, here is how you can remove vocals from any music using Python. However, make sure you own the copyright of the music to do so. So this is the music from Simple Tone, and this is how it sounds after removing the vocals. Let's get started. Now, in order to remove the voice from any music, we will be using these Python codes. We will install this to our Windows computer. Here are all the details required to make it work. So to install this to your PC, we first need to create a Python environment. We will be using Anaconda. Please check our earlier video for a detailed installation. In short, all you have to do is Google Anaconda. This is the website. Simply download it and then install it to your computer. After installing it, if you go to the Start menu and search for Anaconda, you will find this Anaconda prompt and Anaconda Navigator. But we will be using the Anaconda prompt. Open it. Now let's create a Python environment. For that, type conda create -n, write any name you want. I will write vocal remove space Python is equal to 3.9. We have tested it with this version, so please install Python 3.9 and enter Y and enter. So the Python environment has been created. Now let's activate it. Here is the code to activate it. Simply copy it, Ctrl+C and paste here and enter. You can see this base name has changed to vocal remove. After this, go back to Github to download these files. From here, you can download the latest version. And the latest one is version 5.0.3. So simply download the zip file. So the file has been downloaded. Show in folder, open the zip file, and I will extract it to the desktop. Close this and close this as well. Now we need to get inside this folder in Anaconda prompt. For that, copy this address and here type cd space and Ctrl+V and enter. You can see this location has changed. Now let's install all its dependencies requirements. For that, type pip install -r requirements.txt and enter. So now everything has been installed. So let's try if this works or not. Let's try to run this command. I will copy it to the notepad. We need to replace this with our music file location. Also add the output directory where we want to save the vocal removed audio. Let's add our audio files location here. Here is our audio music. Let me open it.
Gotta survive it, shaking up like you missed, man. Get your filthy hands off.
Anyway, let's add its location. It is in the desktop and add the file name with the extension. And I want the output inside this folder. You can choose any. So copy this address and paste it here. All done. Now let's try to run this command. Paste it here and enter. Now here is some issues with numpy. Please note that the latest version of numpy did not work for us. So let's first uninstall numpy. For that, type pip uninstall numpy and enter. Y and enter. So we have uninstalled numpy 1.24.3 version. Let's install the working version. Type pip install numpy is equal to 1.23.0 and enter. Now again, let's try to run this code. Copy this and paste and enter. Now again, we need to install Torch. We tried a few things, but only a specific version of Torch and Cude worked for us. Let me type it all, but I will provide the code for you. And press enter. This will take some time to download the dependencies. Since I have already tested it, it is using the cached version. For you, it will download the required files. Anyway, let's try to run it again. So this is working, and it is all done. Now this is our music. Let's open it. You will find two audios, instrument and vocals. Here's only the instrument. And here is the vocals only.
Man, get your filthy hands off my face. I must say, Lord, for who believe you today,
It did a decent job. Do try it and let us know. Anyway, we hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.